everybody, and welcome to Casey's Garage. This wiper arm decided that it no longer wanted to move the wiper blade up and down, so we've got to replace it. Now, they're pretty simple to do. This plastic cover will just pry off by hand, and then right there is a 13 millimeter bolt that we just have to remove. Pretty simple. There we go. And then you just gotta push up and down on it to loosen it up, and it should come right off. There we go. And if we look in there, yep, it is. There we go. Stripped out, of course, because that's how my luck tends to work. Things tend to just strip out. But the threads are fine on there, so we'll just go ahead and get a new piece and go from there. All right, we're back from the store. Well, several stores and a junkyard, because unfortunately Ford decided to stop making these parts, and they don't make them for an aftermarket. So we had to go to a wrecking yard to actually get the part, but the point is we have the part. Also, if you happen to have a 2000 through 2007, you might want to get a spare, because apparently they're hard to come by. Anyway, so all we got to do, take this nut back off and go ahead and push this back on. This is the new one. As you can see inside of there, it is super fine threads. In fact, it's almost like it's not even threads at all, so it's no wonder they strip out. Anyway, go ahead and put it on. You notice it doesn't actually fit. What you have to do is put pressure on it, and that way it ends up sitting where it needs to be. Make sure you have it exactly where you want it on the mirror, because again, it just it basically just kind of eats into it, and that's what holds it in. So we'll be fine right there, and we'll go ahead and tighten this down and get it nice and tight so it doesn't strip out. There we go. Doesn't really take too much pressure. And put the cap back on. If I could stop dropping things, it'd be fine. There we go. And that's it. That's super easy to do, but unfortunately, as these parts seem to not be available anymore, it means that somebody might be able to take yours. So if you're worried about that, maybe a little Loctite on that nut might be a good idea, but then you won't be able to take it off if it strips out. So win some, lose some, I guess. Anyway, that's how you go ahead and you replace the wiper blade on these. So if you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section. Like, subscribe. If you have any issues with your vehicle, eventually I might get to it, because not only do I work on my vehicles, but I also work on my friends' vehicles, and so it gives me more of a variety of cars to choose from. So I might very well answer your question. Anyway, again, thanks for watching Casey's Garage, and you guys have a great day.